That should do the trick. Anyway, doesn't really matter. Today is all about skills, which I have none whatsoever. So mountain bike track, we are going that way. Let's get on to it, and yeah, let's have some fun. That sound. God dang it, not gonna make too much noise, because those Scottish Highlander cows are already looking at me like, what the hell is that for a rear cow? Nah, I'm just gonna keep it in sport. 160 horsepower. I don't really need the rally mode 100 horsepower. We're just gonna go for 160. ABS mode off-road, so we can lock up the rear brake. Front tire pressure low. Yeah, I know it is low, I just lowered it. And then the MTC motor traction control, we're gonna turn that one off because, well, I want to do some wheelies. Don't really care about that. Release button, and there we go. Oh, the MTC is also behind my C1 quick shift button. So if you want to switch modes, going for road to off-road, C1, C2, click, click, and we are ready to go. Anyway, gotta start this the easy way. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, here we go. So yeah, close my helmet up for a second. Like I said, this motorcycle, as you have seen in the starting of the video, is pretty aggressive at this moment because, well, I have it in sport, full 160 horsepower. Now it's just spinning rear wheel. Get out of my way, pigeon. I seriously do not want to ride over any animals today. And just like that, we are back. Now these dogs behind me just heard me and are already trying to kill me. Now anyway, like I said, I do not have a lot of miles, kilometers on this motorcycle. Also the first time I'm taking it through a really narrow single track. But anyway, I'm gonna cut the crap. I'm just gonna do this. We got it in sport, we got the MTC off, and like I said, there is not going to be a lot of mountain bikers here, because this is probably the worst, smallest, shittiest single track ever. Oh, they're liking it. I mean, this is not an enduro motorcycle, this is a 230 kilogram motorcycle. So yeah, don't mind me falling down. I know this single track, I used to mountain bike here a lot, but some of these corners are really tight. And even with a mountain bike, it's pretty gnarly to do this. But this is by far the best training ever. No mountain bikers really love this part because it is, like I said, all lefts and rights and short turns. But I mean, with a motorcycle like this, woohoo, it's only a good workout. Now, first thing I can already tell is that my rear brake is a little bit too low, so I gotta make that a little bit better. I mean, these turns are like, it's not really made for this motorcycle, but I got it in second gear. I mean, that wasn't too bad whatsoever. Oh, little wheel spin. Like I said, I have everything turned off. Don't like to turn my electronics on when I'm doing off-road. I even sent it flying. Almost flew off. Not gonna lie about that. Always test out the ABS first. So just really go hard on the front brake, because the front ABS is still on. Just hit it really hard like that. It works fine. So we gotta work a little bit on that trust, you know. You gotta start and trust that motorcycle a little bit. So really go hard on that front brake, trust the ABS off-road, and it's working pretty fine. Oh, have to go in here. Don't really mind that. Put the screen up. Here we go. Now this is a trickier part, because a lot of corners, it might not look like that on camera, but it's like left and right and really tricky, really short. Like this is one of the trickiest ones, trying not to touch the ground with my feet. This is some gnarly stuff. But actually I'm not really getting tired, even though I'm really working with a really big bike. Just gotta work a little bit with that body, let the suspension do its job. Work that body, work that body. But a lot of people say like, a bike is too heavy for you and whatnot. The bike is way too heavy for you. It's too heavy and you can't really ride it good off-road. Now, I'm gonna disagree with that. I'm gonna agree and disagree, because I mean, this is a mountain bike single track. Oh shit. So yeah, As you can tell, no mountain bikers are here, which is a lot of fun. That's what I mean, like this thing off-road, this thing is fast, god dang it. But it's not popping wheelies. I didn't release enough pressure on my rear tire, so yeah, it's not as grippy as I wanted it to be. But I mean, yeah, it's not that bad whatsoever. But like I said, my skills are, yeah, don't really like to see myself as a good rider. I'm just a complete idiot. That's also why I crash a lot. But I mean, for a 230 kilogram motorcycle with not a lot of experience, I mean, this wasn't that bad, right? Oh god, nah. This is not how you want to end a video. God dang it. I stalled it. I'm such a goof. Now, what I really like most about these bikes is just you can take it off-road and keep on going. I have to go back and pick up my camera. It's because I have no friends and I have to record everything myself, so yeah. Hello. That's how this works, people. It is a lot of work. Please like this video just because I spend a lot of time running towards my cameras. Thank you. We got a really nasty 180 degree, very short coming up around a tree. Yeah, tires not that deflated enough. And another 180. Yeah, this one just eats through it. Gonna stand up again. Yeah, works perfect. Look at that. Really having a lot of fun with this heavy bike. It is way too heavy for you. You can't handle that bike, Smokey. You can't handle that. I'm pretty fine with it. The time of my life. Okay. Just gotta grip it and rip it. Now, one of the roads that I particularly like are these little gravel roads with little rocks on it. Now, the grip, of course, like I said, I have it in sport, is 160 horsepower, and a road like this. I mean, this bike is just like a rocket. God dang it. It's so much fun that your ass is like swirling from the left to the right. Gotta watch my birdie friends over here. But this thing is, god dang it, it is a rocket. Oh man, I love this thing. It is so fast, it is so powerful, and you can do small mountain bike tracks with it. You gotta be a little bit careful with these tires and these corners. A lot of sand in here. Yeah, buddy. Anyway, I proved some guys wrong. Like I said, my skills are, yeah, not really existent, 0 to none. And it was also the first time I did a single track with my own Super Adventure R. So anyway, that is it for today's video, because, well, I am very hungry and I'm going to head over home. I had a blast today. Really hope you guys liked it as much as I did. And I'll see you guys in another one. Peace, ride safe.